Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how you can use breakout rooms in Zoom. Now for us to be able to go ahead and use breakout rooms, we first need to enable this. Now when we are in our Zoom app, our Zoom desktop version right here, we actually can't create a breakout room here yet. All we need to do is to access Zoom via browser first. So let's just go into our browser right here, and then let's go into Zoom right here. And then what we need to do is to just go ahead and log in. So if you are not logged in yet, you should be able to see sign in right here, and then go into your account. Now what we need to do is we need to go all the way down until we can see settings right here. And then we need to go into in meeting advanced right here. Now on this section, you should be able to see breakout rooms or meetings, and we need to make sure that this is enabled. So let's just go ahead and toggle this on, and then we can go ahead and take a look at the different options right here. So we can go ahead and broadcast messages to participants, broadcast voice to breakout rooms. If you want to allow host to view activity statuses of participants, then you can go ahead and turn this on. The same goes for this one. You can assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling if you wanted to as well. Now let's go ahead and click save on this, and then this will save up your settings in advance. Now once that we have enabled our breakout room settings, then what we can do now is to just go ahead and click on new meeting right here, and then let's go all the way down, and then just go ahead and click join with computer audio. And if we put this into full screen, you should be able to see that we now have the breakout rooms option right here. So just go ahead and click on this, and you can go ahead and select how many breakout rooms you would want. So say for example, let's just add 2. You can then assign automatically where everyone will be put in, or you can assign manually, or you can even let the participants choose the room itself. So say for example that you are split into groups of 2, then just go ahead and select the one that is available to you, and then just go ahead and click create. Now this will open up all of the rooms right here, and if you want to go ahead and start all of the breakout rooms, you can go ahead and do so. So by clicking on open all rooms, or if you want to go ahead and assign whoever is in that room, you can go ahead and do so as well. There are also some options right here which you can take a look at. So you can allow participants to choose a room, allow participants to return to the main session at any time, or you can automatically move all assigned participants into a room, or automatically move all selected participants in breakout rooms to main meeting. You can also choose as to how long the breakout rooms will take, and there will be a countdown as well if you wanted to when the breakout rooms will close down. So let's just say for example, let's open up all of the rooms right here. And you should be able to see right here on the top, all participants have been invited to join breakout rooms. And for the participants to go ahead and join a particular room, all they need to do is just click on breakout rooms right here, and then they should be able to see something like this. So they can go ahead and join the different rooms if you wanted to. So say for example, right here, we're joining room 1. And it says right here that, we are now in breakout room. So it is almost the same as the others, except you are in a specific breakout room. If you want to go ahead and leave the room, you can go ahead and click on this right here. Or if you want to go ahead and join the different rooms as well, you can go ahead and see them right here. Now, as a host itself, you have a chance to go ahead and click on broadcast. This means that you're able to go ahead and broadcast all the messages to everyone. So say for example, there is only 5 minutes left, and then when we click on broadcast, this will broadcast all of the messages to both of the rooms themselves. Now if you want everyone to go back into the main room, all you need to do is to just go ahead and close all the rooms right here, and then as you can see here, it says that they will be returned to the main session in 60 seconds. So when we click close all sessions, as you can see right here on the top right, that all participants have been given 60 seconds to leave their breakout rooms right here. So you can go ahead and click on leave breakout room, or if you have not left yet, you will be automatically kicked out of the breakout room. The breakout rooms will be closed and you will be returned into the session. And there you go. So that's how you would use the breakout rooms to be able to split into different groups if you wanted to. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.